Jax, look. Come on.
Hi, buddy.
Yum, 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 yum.
Yummy food. That tastes good, bud. Looks like it tasted good.
That good, huh? You love it. Oh, got some on your nose that time. I don't know how to tighten these straps. I know you pull it from the back, but how do you keep them tight?
Yum, yum.
What? Here.
Good job, bud. Good job. Was it yummy? Was it yummy?
I don't know if you're crying because you want more or no. He loves to bite on the spoon too. Huh.